Hello everyone. We have already discussed in detail about the simple fruit and its subtype. Now in this video, I'm going to focus on next type of the fruit, that is aggregate fruit. Okay, so there are three different types of the fruit found in the angiospermic plant, like simple fruit, aggregate fruit, and composite fruit. Out of which simple fruit is produced from single flower which have mono or polycarpillary but syncarpous ori, while now aggregate fruit is produced from the flower which have polycarpillary apocarpous ori, and composite fruit, we know that it is produced from entire inflorescer or entire group of the flower. Now in this video I'm going to focus on some introductory concept related to aggregate fruit as well as its subtype. Okay, so aggregate fruit is produced from single flower which have polycarpillary apocarpous ori. Okay, what is polycarpillary ori? The flower have multiple carpel or multiple oris, but each ori is apocarpous in nature. That means carpels are free from one another. This is the main difference in between aggregate fruit and simple fruit. In case of simple fruit, the ori or the carpels are syncarpous. That means they are fused with one another. But now in this case, the apocarpous condition is present in the flower, and each carpel of the flower is generally free from one another. Okay, now after fertilization, each carpel in this type of flower produce simple small structure called fruitlet. Okay, and these fruitlets come together, they form a group, and this group is called as aggregate fruit. Okay, so the group or bunch of the fruitlet produce aggregate fruit. So we call it as aggregation of the fruitlets. Okay, and aggregate fruit is also called as etario. So other name of the aggregate fruit is etario. And in this video, I'm going to focus on four different types of the aggregate fruit. So the first type is etario of Akene. Okay, in my last video I have already discussed in detail about the simple fruit, and simple fruit is divided into two types, dry fruit and fleshy fruit, and dry fruit is again divided into two types, indehiscent fruit and dehiscent fruit. In case of indehiscent fruit, the fruit wall or pericarp remain intact after maturity, while in case of dehiscent fruit, fruit wall or pericarp get break after maturity so that seed can get dispersed. Okay, this is the basic difference in between indehiscent and dehiscent fruit. We have talked about 5 different types of indehiscent fruit and 10 different types of dehiscent fruit. Now Akene is the type of simple dry indehiscent fruit. Okay, so it is simple dry indehiscent type of fruit, and we know that generally Akene have thin membranous fruit wall with single seed, and in this type of fruit wall is loosely connected with the seed coat. Okay, so fruit wall show loose bonding with seed coat, and when many Akene type of the fruit come together, they form an aggregate or etario of Akene, and this is nothing but the type of aggregate fruit. And example of the Iterio of the Akene is strawberry, rose, lotus, etc. So all these plants show Iterio or Akene type of aggregate fruit. Okay. Now the next type of the aggregate fruit is Iterio of follicle. Okay. So this follicle is the type of simple dry dehiscent fruit. Okay. So it is simple dry dehiscent fruit. The fruit wall is thin and membranous, and it break at maturity. Okay. As follicle is the type of a dehiscent fruit, the fruit wall break from one side. Suppose this is the follicle type of fruit. After maturity, the fruit wall break from the one side or one suture that will help in dispersion of the seed from the fruit. Okay. And example of the Iterio follicle type of the fruit is Calotropis, Magnolia. Okay, these two are the well-known example of Iterio of the follicle. Why we call it as Iterio of the follicle? Because it is nothing but the group or bunch of follicle type of the fruit. So it is called as Iterio of the follicle. Now the third type of the aggregate fruit is Iterio of drupes. So this drupes is nothing but the type of simple fleshy fruit. Okay, I have already discussed about drupes in my fleshy fruit video. Okay, so it is simple fleshy fruit. The fruit wall of the drupe is divided into three parts: outer epicarp, middle mesocarp, and inner endocarp, out of which epicarp or the outer layer is thin, membranous, which form outer covering or fruit skin or fruit wall. Then middle part or the mesocarp is the fleshy main edible part of this type of fruit, while the inner endocarp becomes strong, hard, and stony. So this drupes type of fruit is also called as stony fruit because their seed coat or the inner layer of the pericarp, that is endocarp, become hard and stony. Okay. Now this Iterio of the drupes have multiple example, but well-known example is blackberry and raspberry. And now the last type of the aggregate fruit is Iterio of berries. Okay, berries are nothing but the type of simple fleshy fruit, and when multiple berries come together, they form a group or a bunch which is called as Iterio of the berries. So it is nothing but the simple fleshy fruit. Okay, and there are two subtype of the berries as superior berry and inferior berry. In case of superior berry, all the three parts of the fruit is edible. That means you can eat epicarp, mesocarp as well as endocarp. But now in case of inferior berry, one or two part of the fruit wall is non-edible, and well-known example of the inferior type of the berry is banana and papaya. Now Iterio of the berry is nothing but the group of berries. Okay, berries come together, they form a group or a bunch which is called as Iterio of the berry, and example is custard apple. Okay, if we draw the figure of custard apple, in that case you can find, suppose I take longitudinal section of the custard apple. In this fruit, seeds are attached like this. Okay, so this is nothing but the fruitlet. So multiple fruitlet come together to form a single fruit. So it is called as aggregate fruit, and the central portion is nothing but the thalamus. Okay, so these are the four important type of aggregate type of fruit which is produced from polycarpillary apocarpous ovary, which after fertilization produce fruitlet. Fruitlet come together to form aggregate type of the fruit. It is also called as Itario, and there are four subtype of the aggregate fruit as Itario of the acene, example is strawberry, rose, lotus, then Itario of the follicle, example is Calotropis magnolia, then Itario of the drupes, example is blackberry, raspberry, and the last type is Itario of the berries, example is custard apple. So this is all about the second type of the fruit, that is aggregate fruit. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the last type of the fruit, that is composite fruit. Thank you.